right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Wish Wednesday. That means you have asked for songs and I have read your comments and I selected this one. Okay, it's Forrest Frank song called Ups and Downs, and it's you, Chan Edits, who wished for this one. So Forrest Frank, always highly appreciated on this channel. So let's go into this one, and thank you, Edits, for being here and interacting with me. So Ups and Downs, we're gonna highlight that song and we're gonna use no capo for that. All right, only 4 chords, easy chords without any capo. Let's go into it, and we're gonna start with the F major 7 sus2. A long name, very easy chord to handle. So it's 3rd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the C. That goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E, and finally we have the A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And that will be the chord progression through the entire song. But we will always have and think as 2 chord progression rounds, okay? Why? Because we have the strumming, the handling of the chords will differ a little bit between the 2 rounds, but that will roll through the entire song, okay? So we have either the 1st round or 2nd round, and the only difference there is the strumming with the last chord, the A minor. We'll come to that now. Let's go into the 1st round of strumming, and that's the F major 7. So grab that one, and you're gonna play down, up, clap. Okay, so down, up, clap. Okay, so down, up, clap. And then you switch chord to C and play down, down. Very easy. A pause in between the 2 downs. So far we learned and then comes the next chord, the G. It's down, up, clap again in the same way as F major. And then comes the A minor. It's down, down, up. Okay? And that A minor is the final chord in the 1st round. And then you go into the 2nd round and play the same strumming for the first 3 chords. That means the F major, the C, and G is played in the same way as the 1st round. So F major, down, up, clap. Then C, down, down, and G, down, up, clap. And then comes the final A minor again in the 2nd round, okay? Now you will play down, up, down, down, up, like this. So down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and that ends the 2nd round, and then you just repeat everything. 1st round, 2nd round, 1st round, 2nd round through the entire song. Okay, and this last A minor here in the 2nd round, when you play the down, up, either you can play with just real strumming, like that, or you can play it with a muting, okay? That means when I play it when muting for this specific chord, I lean my little pinky in front of the chord at that point when it's time to play the down, up. So I just get the sound from the muted strings, okay? So if you listen to the song there, specifically in the intro of this song, you will hear it's not as clear as the other strumming downs and ups. And that is because you have that sound effect. So you can either go with just playing the straight open down, up ending there, or with the muted style. So either it sounds like this, or like this with muting. Okay? And then you start all over again. And that is how you handle Forrest Frank's ups and downs. Very easy, guys. So thank you, Chan Edits, for being here on this channel and highlighting this song. And yeah, continue to wish, share, interact with me. I like to really fulfill your wishes on Gordon Guitar. So Wednesdays are our favorite day. So yeah, till next time, play tuned.